Hi friends, it's Ryan from the Intergalactic Reality Service. Today we're going to talk about our first book, Squixy and the Battle for All Times. So as you might know, Squixy is the Intergalactic Reality Service's greatest superhero agent. And he's coming to Earth to help us protect against the bad guy, Trixie and Lolo, who are coming here to steal all of our treasures. They're going to trixelate everything. So we've enlisted our children and students to help Squixy in his battle. But first we need to learn a little bit more about multiplication. It's a tough subject. So let's take a look at what's in the book. So throughout this book, you're going to see a lot of fun things. There's a lot of, we have our origin story, which is more about, we have Trixie and Lolo, and there's Squixy telling us about why he's here. But the big part about this book is there are 10 common core subjects for multiplication. Throughout the book, we have 10 of these. And on the left-hand side, how we've set this up is we've got the learning side and then the application side. So on the left here, we're learning more about strategies for how to deal with multiplication. So for instance here on training mission number 3, we're learning that multiplication is basically repeated addition. So you'll see here we're setting up with our children and students how to deal with this. Now on the right side, we're jumping right into an agent mission where we're going to help Squixy battle Trixie. Now, occasionally throughout the book, there are some more difficult subjects. So what we've done is we've included little triggers. So when you see this little artwork here, the child can pull out their phone or device, their tablet, and they can scan it with the free Squixy app, and then a video is going to come up featuring Miss Stephanie from the Intergalactic Reality Service. And she's going to help explain these topics and the strategies in a really fun and entertaining way. And there are 5 of those throughout the book. So let's look at one more of these. So you see here in training mission number 4, it's word problems. And word problems are really hard because there's a lot of extra things that are going on in a word problem that children don't really need. So it kind of makes it confusing. So in this little video guy right here, when you scan that with the app, Miss Stephanie is going to teach us some tricks to kind of get through the things that you don't need in a word problem and some nice strategies to help solve those. So you'll see throughout here, we've got 10 of these missions. It's kind of the meat of this book, and we really think that students and children are really going to enjoy that. And again, it all has to do with this big story of how Squixy's here to help save us from Trixie. So that's a little bit more about Squixy and the Battle for All Times. I hope you enjoy it. It's for sale now at squixy.com. If you enjoy it, leave some comments below, and we'd love to hear from you. Thanks.